Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. So we're back with another smartwatch review video, and this time we have with us the Noise Colorfit Pulse 2 Max. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you the features of this watch. So in the front of the box we have the picture of the watch and the model Colorfit Pulse 2 Max, and it's a calling smartwatch. At the back we can see the features, and this watch is in the rose pink color, and apart from that, it's available in a few different colors. About the features, we get the 1.85-inch display, stress monitoring, Bluetooth calling, SpO2 monitoring, 100 sports modes, IP68 waterproof, you get 24 hours heart rate monitoring, 150 plus cloud-based watch faces, and you get up to 10 days battery backup. The companion app NoiseFit is available for both Android and iOS platform. And here we have the MRP, which is Rs 5,999. However, the launch price is just Rs 1,999. And guys, it's good to see a Bluetooth calling smartwatch under Rs 2,000 from Noise. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get this welcome card, and here we have the warranty information. And then we get the user guide, and after that we get these noise stickers. And then below it, we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, I must say that the rose pink variant of this watch looks beautiful. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the charging cable, and it's magnetic, and here is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise Colorfit Pulse 2 Max, as the name suggests, is the bigger version of the Pulse 2. And in this smartwatch, we get the 1.85-inch display, which is the biggest display we have in this watch under Rs 2,000. Now looking at the design and build quality, we find the design very good and the build quality is also decent. The straps are also soft and feels comfortable on the hand. And also, you can change the straps as per your choice. Now in terms of the overview, as mentioned earlier, we have the 1.85-inch display in this smartwatch, and you get the curved glass. And here at this side, we have the function button with the noise logo, and also the mic for calling. On the other side, we have the speaker grill, and at the back, we have the sensors along with the charging points. Now, let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app NoiseFit, and here, just scan the QR code, and now accept the pairing request on the watch. And guys, in this smartwatch, you don't need to pair the watch separately for Bluetooth calling, and you get the single chip BT calling support. Now, let's look at the watch features. So here we are on the watch face, and I must say that the display quality is very good, and you get sharp and a vibrant display. You can change the watch face by long pressing on the watch face. And guys, you can also add more watch faces through the companion app. Swiping down from the top will show you the notifications, and swiping up from the bottom will show you the settings. So on the top we can see the connection status, and here we have the silent mode, find phone, brightness, DND, battery saving mode, and the settings of the watch. Swiping left or right on the watch face will show you the quick apps, and here we have the heart rate, SpO2, steps, stress, and so on. To access the main menu, you need to press the function button once. And about the performance, we don't see any major lag or stutter in the menu, and the touch is also quite responsive. So in the menu first we have the health, and here we have the activity, which will show you the current day's fitness data. And then we have the heart rate, and guys, in this smartwatch, you get the continuous heart rate monitoring, and the data is accurate. And here you can see that data is matching with our dedicated device. Though you will get false reading when you place the watch on a table, which I'm sure Noise can improve with an OTA update. Next we have the SpO2 monitoring, and here as well, the data is accurate. After that we have the sleep, and here you can see the last night's sleep details. And then we have the breathe, and here you can do breathing exercises to calm yourself down. After that we have the stress monitoring, and with this, you can see the stress level. Then in the main menu we have the noise buzz, which has the calling function, such as contacts, recent calls, and the dial pad to make a new phone call. And about the performance, we will talk in a moment. Then in the menu we have the clock, and here we have the alarm, timer with some preset timers, stopwatch, and then we have the world clock, which you can set through the app. After that we have the workout, and here you can see the neatly categorized workouts. And in total, you get 100 sports modes, and this is how you get the data while working out. After that in the menu, we have the sport record, and here you can see your workout history. And then we have the reminders, which you can set through the app. After that we have the music, and with this watch, you can control the music playing on your phone, and you can also increase or decrease the volume. And then we have the weather, and here you have the current weather conditions along with the weather forecast. After that we have the watch faces, stocks, and then we have the flashlight, which is again a must-have feature on a smartwatch. There is also a new app here, which is the calculator, but I'm not sure how useful it is going to be, but it's good to have this feature on a smartwatch. And then finally we have the settings. In the settings first we have the brightness settings, and then we have the ringtone and vibration settings. After that we have the wrist awake, and here you can set the timings, and about the performance, it works quite well, and the response time is also good. After that in the settings we have the DND, menu view, auto sport detection for walking and running, and then the usual power off, reset and the restart option. So that's all the features we have on the watch, and feature wise it's a pretty good smartwatch, keeping in mind that it's a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Now about the companion app, we have here the NoiseFit, and on the home page you can see your fitness data. On the settings page we can see the connected device on the top, and you can also see the remaining battery. So in the settings first we have the watch face store, and here you can use your own picture and customize the watch face as per your choice. And then we have these available cloud-based watch faces. And guys, this time the sync time is pretty fast to upload a new watch face. Then in the settings we have the notifications, and here you can turn on the app, text and call alert. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, you can accept or reject the call. One thing which is really good, that you get the quick reply feature in this smartwatch, and I'm really happy to see this feature in this budget smartwatch. And about the performance, the mic clarity is good, and like always, the performance is very similar to a true wireless earphone. And now about the text alert, we do get the quick reply feature in this watch, but unfortunately we don't have the emoji support in this smartwatch. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the health monitor, and from here you can turn on the auto heart rate, REM for better sleep tracking, and then we have the drink water and hand wash reminder, and also the idle alert. After that we have few other settings which includes Google Fit integration, contact to sync with the watch, and then the quick reply, and from here you can edit or add a new quick reply message. And then finally we have the remote camera shutter, by which you can remotely capture photos from your phone using your smartwatch. So overall the Noise Colorfit Pulse 2 Max is a very good budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. The price of this watch is Rs 1999, and in this you're getting a good design, build quality, and also the bigger 1.85-inch display. There is no lag in the menu, and also the touch is responsive. The fitness data though is accurate, but you do get the false reading in this smartwatch. Apart from that, the battery backup is also good, and with the moderate usage and Bluetooth calling turned on, you can easily get 1 week battery backup. So in short, if you're looking for a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch under Rs 2000, then this is a smartwatch you should check out. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy this smartwatch, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Colorfit Pulse 2 Max smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.